I just got to the airport and my car started having issues. This is not the first time, this is not the last, and I swear for God, I don't know what to do anymore. No, 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 come on. Okay. Okay, you know what? I have to go somewhere quickly, and you're coming with me, I guess, because you just missed your flight. So I have to take you somewhere so you can get the other flight. Oh my god, you're so irresponsible. I need gas as well, so we'll do that as well. Oh look, a gas station, how convenient. I don't think it even is open. Okay, I think I'm going, oh no. Can I overtake? Oh, I don't think I don't think I can do that. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to stop. Okay, I think you got me, okay? My brake didn't work. Oh, thank you. Now you can drive away. I can't drive away. Come on, please start. Okay, you know what? Oh no. Oh no. Everything is going so wrong. Can you please let me leave? Thank you. And I'm going the wrong way. Let me put my GPS. Maybe there's something I can do. I'm gonna try to use the GPS. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Where are we going? I don't know. But I'm so tired. Oh, my brakes don't work well. Oh my god. Are we going the wrong way? Oh my god. We're going the wrong way. I'm so sorry about this. Am I going the wrong way? I don't think so. Okay. Are we close by? I think we are. See, I told you using the GPS on my phone will work. okay? I can do this. I can guarantee you. You don't need to worry about a thing. Just sit there and relax. You didn't catch a flight, that's on you, okay? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This car has some issues, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, star, come on. Please, no. No, come on. Oh, come on, please. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on, okay? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, I swear. I told you I could drive. Sorry, I got distracted by my phone. I'm sorry. I think we're doing so well. Why is the police pursuing me? I didn't do anything. This time I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, officer. Oh my god. You left me on a ditch. I don't know why you're pursuing me. I didn't do anything wrong. I don't get it. Oh, I'm in the wrong side. Is that it? Oh, they're still pursuing me. Oh my god. I didn't do anything. That's on them. I'm still going strong, and I'll take you there. I don't know what's going on with the car. I'm so sorry. I don't know. Oh, what happened? I think I'm done. Offense. Please. Oops. Sorry. I think we're doing really well. What, you like that? You like that? I can see that. I saw it from a mile away. Oh, darling, even before we got to this point, I knew it. Keep going. You like it the way? Me too. Now, stroke it. I don't mind. Oh, please, no, no. Oh, come on. What happened? Everything was going so well. It doesn't want to turn on. That's on you. I don't know what happened, but yeah, everything is on you today. You missed your flight, you made me do this, so it's on you today.